is the distance. Practically all entries are selling. Anytime now, race number 2. Good luck on your winner take all. And the race is on. Double O Arranque, Finest Material, Puma. Moving up by Dralis Makisig, John's Memory, entry number 1, Michika and Viva Andres. It's now Puma, and on the outside is Arranque, and racing on the outside, Finest Material, Makisig. Then on the inside, John's Memory, racing in fifth by about 2 lengths alongside is Double O, Michika and Viva Andres. And inside the last 850, Arranque, Puma, fighting it out for the late Finest Material, is racing in third by about 2 lengths Makisig, John's Memory, and here comes Double O, Michika, Viva Andres, as they race the last 550, Arranque, Puma, and Finest Material, Double O, racing on the outside, and still moving up as they swing from Arranque, Finest Material is on the outside, Puma, Michika down on the inside, Double O, racing on the outside is Viva Andres, it's Finest Material, Viva Andres, Double O in between runners, Double O, Viva Andres, Double O, Viva Andres, and finally, Viva Andres, Double O, Finest Material, entry number 6, John's Memory, Michika.
Viva Andres, ang unang tumuwid sa linya, kalawak numero 5. At ang sumigundo, yung numero 4A yata na si Double O. Very exciting race. Kita nyo naman, in terms of sales, talagang lahat meron. Ganyang kaganda yung karerang yan. Ha? 5, 4, 7, 6, 1. Tama ba ako? 5, 4, 7, 6, 1. Inabot po ng 398,074 ang ating daily double. Ito po ang pairing sa numero 5. Sa 1, 594. Sa 3 na po, 698. Sa 4, 278. Sa 5, 79. Sa 6, 329.